Guys, on this technique, I am going to show you how to execute a perfect timing and spot a pattern before you place your bets and secure a winning. This is a powerful technique to win a Pick 4 lottery. Let's say I choose a 7 number. That is 7, 8, 1, 2, 0, and 3, 5. Then I level this by letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So you can replace your chosen numbers based in your local lottery. You can replace your number. Now the 7 numbers will generate a 17 combination. This is 0, 7, 8, 1. Just use the letters to replace your chosen number and generate your combination. This combination is equals to 17 generated combination. You can use this to place your bets. Now, how to spot the pattern and secure a winning. Here is an example of 6 to 8 draws previous result. Now, how to spot a pattern and secure a winning. Okay, here is the powerful trick to win a Pick 4 lottery. Now, after we generate a 17 combination based on your chosen number and based on your previous result in your local lottery, since we occupied 7 numbers, now we spot a pattern and we place our bets and secure a winning. Now, look at the first draw, 0, 7, 8, 2. The second draw is 4, 1, 2, 3. Look at the third draw. There are 2 doubles. Okay? The fourth draw, 3, 4, 0, 1. So singles. Fifth draw, triples. Triple is present. And another on the sixth draw, 2 doubles. And the seventh draw, all singles. On the eighth draw, another double are present. Now, if you successfully skip 6 to 8 draws and see this pattern, on the ninth draw, you will start to place your bets and maintain 2 to 3 draws. Then you will, so there are a greater odds that singles will, since we only occupied combination that are singles, there are no doubles, triples, and 2 doubles on our combination. Hope my explanation is very clear. So the key on this powerful lottery technique is to spot a pattern and 6 to 8 draw skips. Backtest everything before you place your bets based on your local lottery results. Maintain 2 to 3 days your bets, and I will guarantee that you will consistently win the jackpot. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.